How to use Voice Assistant on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use Voice Assistant on your Android device. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So to use the Voice Assistant on your Android, first you'll need to enable it. So let's see how we can do that. Head over to the settings icon. And after you're on your settings, go to Google. Scroll down till you find Google. And after you do, tap on it. After you're there, you should find Voice Assistant. If you don't, tap on the All Services area. After you do that, you should find Voice Assistant. So you can see Search, Assistant and Voice option. Tap on it. After you do that, select Google Assistant. So after you're here, tap on Voice Match. And now you will need to match your voice to your device. You will need to set up Hey Google. To do that, what you'll need to do is turn on Hey Google, this one right here. And after that, follow the prompts to train the assistant to recognize your voice. Once set up, you can activate it by saying Hey Google or pressing and holding the home button or the power button depending on your phone's setting. And after doing that, you can now use your voice assistant to do multiple stuff, like you can ask it to call someone and stuff like that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.